What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add an overlay in CapCut PC. So for example, if you want to add your webcam to your screen recording, all you have to do is to bring your screen recording to the timeline, like so. For this tutorial I will use this video as the background video, and I got a video from Pexel. This is only for this tutorial to show you how to add an overlay. So we're gonna bring this one to the timeline. What we want to do with this one is to go to video, then to mask, and we're gonna add a circle mask, for example, and we're gonna match it with the face in the video. Gonna make it a little bit bigger, like so. And as you can see, we have an overlay for our video. We can scale it down so it's smaller and put it in top right corner, for example. And now we have an overlay for the screen recording. You can use your webcam recording or what you want to use. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.